is Captain Jenny with Gulf Coast EcoTour reporting in at the end of the road, but the beginning of the journey. And you'll see what I mean by that in just a moment. I live in Old Town Bay St. Louis, and I just love it here. And I love the Mississippi Gulf Coast. I love it so much. I just want to share some of my stories with you. And so I'm out here tonight walking because we've got some storms coming in tomorrow night. And so I just got to be outside. You know how that is. So be on the lookout later this week for the oysters on the bayou and, of course, crabbing on the wall. And our boat tours are opening up this week. The Bay St. Louis Discovery Boat Tour. And, of course, we do have our swamp tours as well. Our walking tours are opening up on August the 20th. They're epic. So live it with Gulf Coast EcoTour and Captain Jenny. We'll see you real soon. Now I'm going to flip it now. The view of the land that I love so much. Look at this beautiful scenery right here, 360 view, where the road ends, but the journey begins with Gulf Coast EcoTour.